Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we will talk about the best short hairstyles for older women over 60 within thin hair looks that can beat your age and make you feel young, confident and beautiful. If your hair has become thinner over time, don't worry. The right short haircut can bring back volume, life and style instantly. As we get older, it's natural for hair to lose some of its thickness. That's why shorter hairstyles are perfect. They are light, easy to manage and make thin hair look fuller and bouncer. Short hair also draws attention to your best features, your eyes, cheekbones and smile. Professional hairstyles say short cut can give your hair a lifted, youthful effect, helping you look fresh and confident every day. It's all about finding the right shape and layers that suit your face. Here are some of the best short hairstyles for women over 60 within thin hair that truly stand out in 2025. Layered pixie cut, short bob with volume, feather cut, crop cut, soft shag cut, side parted short hairs. Each of these cuts can be easily styled with your fingers or a round brush. Simple, quick and fabulous for everyday wear. Hair color can also make a big difference. The light shades like silver, blonde, soft caramel or warm honey tones, they make thin hair look thicker and brighter. If you love your natural gray, add a shine treatment or suitable highlights to enhance it. For styling, use a volumizing mousse or dry shampoo at the roots or to light your hair. Avoid heavy products. They can make thin hair look flat. A little texture and movement go a long way to make your short haircut look full and fresh. So these were the best short hairstyles for older women over 60 with thin hairs, timeless, youthful and confidence boasting. Remember, the beauty has no age. The right haircuts can make you feel younger, stylish and ready for everything. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like my video, share my video. See you again. Allah Hafiz.